Subscribe to simplify your space and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any future updates from our channel. Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. A lot of you requested me to make a video on cleaning tips, especially to clean the difficult areas around the house. So today we will see 6 effective cleaning hacks to clean few difficult and mostly ignored things around the house. If you follow these hacks and include them in your regular cleaning routine, they will always be easy to clean. Believe me, I really had to wait for a few months to make them look dirty so that I can make a video on this, and they still got cleaned so easily. So let's see what those hacks are. They accumulate plenty dirt if not cleaned on regular basis. Also, they cannot function properly if they are full of dust. Dismantling it from the wall and then cleaning can be a really difficult task. So to clean the exhaust fan without removing it from the wall, we just need coconut oil. Any coconut oil will work. First, switch off and unplug the fan. Remove the front panel. We will clean it later. Now dip a cotton or a piece of old cloth into coconut oil. Apply it thoroughly on the fan, especially where the dust and grease is accumulated. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a paper towel or a microfiber cloth and wipe the area firmly. All the dust and grease will come out easily without making much effort. Now just wipe the fan with a damp towel. Clean the area around same way with coconut oil. To clean the front panel, dip it into warm water with dish liquid and leave it for 30 minutes. Use an old toothbrush or scrub pad to clean the dust off. See, the dust came off so easily. Now place the panel back. The fan is looking as good as new. Everyone knows how to clean a ceiling fan. But one thing which bothers us while cleaning a fan is a mess which flies off and falls around the house. So here is a hack to clean the fan without making a mess. For this, you need any old pillowcase. Now take the open side of the pillowcase and insert the fan blade into it so that it covers the entire blade. Now hold the blade from both the sides and slide off the pillowcase while pressing the blade firmly. All the dust will fall off inside the pillowcase and the blade will get cleaned without making any mess. Repeat the process for other two blades. Alternatively, one can use microfiber duster to clean the fan. Microfiber cloth or duster does not let dust to fall off and cleans anything without making a mess. After using it for some time, hard water deposits clog the shower head and reduce the water flow. Easiest and simple hack to open these holes is to take a half lemon and rub it all around the shower head. Make sure you rub on all the pores. Now leave it for a minute and then scrub it with an old toothbrush. Once done, open the shower on the hottest water setting. Hot water will remove all the dust and hard water particles with the pressure, and water flow will come back to normal. Lemon will also remove the hard water stains and make the shower head look shinier. Most of us these days have these sliding windows and doors in our house. Lot of dust gets accumulated on the track and make it look dirty. Most of the dust moves and goes into the corners, which are hard to clean because of the low width of the track. So the best way to remove the dust from the corners is to use any old makeup brush and a cardboard piece. As they are tiny in size, they easily reach the corners and are helpful removing the dust. Once all the dry dust is removed, pour warm water with dish soap on the track and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now take an old toothbrush and scrub all over the track to remove the stubborn stains. Take an old cloth or paper towel to wipe it off. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the corners and to dry off all the water. Now the track is sparkling clean. Another dusty place which is hard to clean is this mesh window or mosquito net. Dust goes into these small openings and block them. To clean it, we need a spray bottle filled with 70% water, vinegar and dish liquid. Now add 2 spoons or 5% dish liquid into this and 25% vinegar and mix it well. We also need a brush with bristles. You can also use a cloth washing brush for this. Now spray the liquid all around the mesh, especially targeting the blocked holes. When liquid will come out with the pressure from the spray bottle and goes into these holes, the force will help opening the blocked holes with dust. Same can be done with jets in handheld showers. Now clean the mesh with the scrubber to remove the leftover dust. You don't have to wipe it, it will dry off by itself. If you're someone like me who drinks hot water, then this hack is for you. After using the kettle for few days, hard water deposits gets accumulated inside, especially on the hot plate, which looks really nasty. So to remove it easily, you just need a cup of vinegar and a cup of water. That's it. Now bring it to the boil. This hack will work by itself. Now remove the liquid from the kettle and see, everything is got clean so easily without making any effort. The same liquid can be reused to clean a microwave and steel appliances and dishes. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like these hacks and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.